As you can tell, I love Anker products. I'm gonna do a whole series reviewing them. I love the design, I love their service. They're all great. Today we'll look at the Soundcore Sport XL. There it is, the Anker Soundcore Sport XL. As you can tell, this one has been used and used and used time and time again. It's pretty old. I'm pretty sure that Anker updated their logo since. I'm not sure. Tell me in the description. But that thing is super sturdy, it's obviously waterproof. You get your bass woofer in the back and it's all rugged. I mean, really? That thing can take a beating and it will stay in one piece. Under the tab here, you get a USB outlet because this thing can serve as power bank, auxiliary, and micro USB charging. This tab was initially held in place, but with the wear, well, it kinda got away, but it still holds firmly in place. And I mean, there's no issue, there's never been any water infiltration or anything in it. There. Simple control, you turn it on. You get your battery indicator here. The usual controls and Bluetooth pairing. That's it. I mean, that's all we need, right? As you can see, that thing took a beating. I mean, it's been in my shower for years and years, and this is rust. I want to try and see if I can remove the cover and clean them. Let's start by wiping off some of the grime, dirt, dust that has accumulated over the years. Just a wet cloth to start, and afterward we'll switch to the brush. That alone was needed, friends. Alright, let's switch to the brush. Okay, there we go. Let me get a nut brush with harder air. Okay, making progress. Taking out that grime. Okay. Okay, let's try and remove what has accumulated in the X screws that are at each corners of the screen. Okay, well, it's not actually working too well. Let's try and find what X key is required here. That thing is not budging. What was I thinking? It's probably metric. Those things are not turning one bit. What should I do? Do you have any suggestion on how I can unstuck those screws? Leave a comment below and let me know. Because for today, I don't think we're gonna get past this. But it's fine. No matter the rust, that thing plays like new. It's reliable, and it always has been ever since I got it. Highly recommend it. Great for all your shower, air guitar, and lip syncing needs. Check the description for a link. And please like and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.